When you're creating a Word document that includes a list of items, like this meeting agenda, you can format it as either a bulleted or a numbered list. First, you'll need to select the text. To add bullets, you can click the Bullets command, and if you ever want to remove them, you can just click here again. For more options, you can click the Bullets drop-down arrow and select the bullet style that you want. If you click at the end of the list and then press the Enter key, the next line will automatically have the same list formatting as soon as you start typing. When you're done with your list, just press the Enter key twice, and the next line will have normal paragraph formatting without bullets. Now there's another part of this document that I want to format as a numbered list. To do this, select the text, and then click the numbering command, or use the drop-down arrow to select the style that you want. I actually want to split this up into two lists with a heading in between steps 5 and 6. So I'll just click here and press Enter twice. And you can see that after the heading it has continued the numbering, beginning with step 6. If you'd like to change that, all you have to do is right-click the number and choose Restart at 1. If you want to change it back, just right-click it again and select Continue Numbering. I'm going to go back to the top and select my bulleted list. If you want to change the distance between the bullets and the text, you can click and drag the hanging indent marker on the ruler. Make sure that the entire list is selected when you do this. Otherwise, you'll only change the distance for the current line. You'll also want to be sure to use the hanging indent marker. That's the one that looks like a little upward-facing arrow. If you select the left indent marker just below it, you'll move both the bullets and the list items, which isn't what we want in this case. While I'm here, I'd like to change these bullets to something different, but when I click the drop-down arrow, I don't really see any that I want. That's okay because there are a lot of other symbols we can choose from. Just go to Define New Bullet and click Symbol. Then select a font. I'd recommend using any of the Wingdings fonts because they have a lot of symbols to choose from. You can then scroll through the list of symbols, and when you found one you like, select it and click OK. I think I'll customize this bullet a little more. Click Font, and let's change the color of the bullet. I'm going to choose this green color. Click OK to close these dialog boxes, and your customized bullets will appear in the document. Now there's actually a third type of list that we haven't talked about yet, called a multi-level list. A multi-level list is basically just an outline, and the great part about them is you can easily turn any bulleted or numbered list into a multi-level list. For example, under News and Events, I'd like to add some specific news items. I'll press Enter to create a new item, and then press Tab on my keyboard. Then I can type each item, pressing Enter after each one. If you want to increase the level of an item, just click at the beginning of the line